call this our overall game controller. This is going to handle a lot of what our scoring will be. Empty it out. Probably give us floats. Lot. Public float, our current score. The player. Bring in public dash pro GUI. Where X. What type of counters in this? I wouldn't say wave number. You could say. Make another one for players. Update. No, do we need? Yes, we would need. We've done that. Update by. Make a void for that. That's going to be constantly running to constantly stuff. Or here's a float mount. Current score at that amount that we feed in. Our UI. Y. Vortex. X. Will be equal to our current score, and then we got to convert it to a string since we're numbers to that. I mean, other than that, that should be it for this. This is never really being called. I guess now we could go back to the enemy stats. Yeah, that would make sense. Let's go back to the enemy stats now. Let's go ahead. We'll make a public. Call that our game controller, and then we'll call this our controller. Right? We will have our controller set to a game object. Find object with of. One for game controller. Then what we'll do from there, identifying that, we'll also say get the component off of him of game controller. That should assign the controller automatically. In our die function, now instead of just destroying him, or we can also say find our controller, gonna add score to them. Public add score. Do is say controller dot add score, then score amount. Right now they just give 50. Other than that, should be good. Your game controller is sending our information over. This is sending information to that. So those are saved and minimized. Here. Create a new empty controller. Tag it as controller. And guess what we're going to add to it? Controller script. Our current score will be set to 100 or 0. Let me see. Your alternate. Your UI. Score holder. Oh, I guess we never made one of those. X. 2D mode. And that would be in the health bar. By text message pro. All the way over here. Just for now. I haven't made any certain decisions when it comes to the UI stuff, but about the same as that. All right, pro. For now, just center and center. Figure 0. Auto scale. Oh, that's it. Back to our game controller, to our lives. There, let's just override. Apply that. Alright. Now, should get some stuff going here. So we already know they did damage. Close this. Game controller has that. All of that should check this out now. Let's take damage. That's fine. Alright. Scene view. Split these. They're like on me too. Okay, so now we take this guy. Character War Chief. Let's take his health. And it added 50. Okay, that's what I wanted to make sure. That adds 50. Good. Then this. Set this down to 0. Enter. Current health. This guy. Ooh, can die though. There we go. Has to be less than. Alright, that's an issue. Okay. Let me go to their enemy stats. Hell. Characters. Less than or equal to. Go ahead. Less than or equal to. And they'll die. That should have been good for update. This. Male. Two. Delta Z. Now. Shaman. 0. Okay. All of them are working. That works. Now we're doing good. Have that done. Points.